In this assignment, we'll learn 4 new functions: sample variance, sample standard deviation, population variance, and population standard deviation. We already know how to find the mean. We use the average function. So in this case, we're going from B2 to B9. We already know the function for the median. Again, we always start a function with the equal sign. So the median, same range. Notice it doesn't really matter whether you have an uppercase or lowercase cell letter. So this is uppercase B. Previously was lowercase. The minimum, we know that function to be min. So equal sign in my n. Same range of data, B2 to B9, close parenthesis, enter. We're very familiar with the maximum function, you may ask. So we're going from the same range again, B2 to B9. So this is a new function, the sample variance. So remember, the sample variance is different from the population variance. We have to subtract 1 in order to get the sample variance after we find the sum of squares. So the function for the sample variance is var dot s. The sample standard deviation, the function is st dev dot s, as in sample, open parentheses. Again, the data is in B2 to B9. Now we need to find the population variance. Population, we do not subtract n minus 1. It's just regular n. So that function is going to be different. So it's var.p, but let's put it in the same column. Let's move it over. Put it in the same column as the population here in red. So again, the equal sign, var for variance, dot p for population. Now the range is different, so now we're going from C2 all the way down to C16. And close parentheses. And you can pretty much guess what the population standard deviation is. So equal STDEV dot what? P. That's correct. C2 colon to C16, close parentheses. And that's pretty much the 4 new functions. But let's go back and complete the table. So now we need to find the average for the population. You know, that's the mean. C2, C16, median. Maximum min. Notice with the mean and median, they're exactly the same. We just kind of eyeball these numbers because we're going to use these same numbers in the SPSS assignment number 1. And you can probably guess when we plot these numbers what type of distribution we're going to have. But we'll do that in the SPSS assignment. And then we get the maximum, close parentheses, assignment done. It's 4 minutes. Fairly straightforward.